Hey everybody, it's Mike, the Gluologist. Today I am excited to bring you Fast Finish Decoupage, the different decoupage. What's different about it? Hey, it's crystal clear. It also bonds and seals. No other product necessary, and it dries to a tack-free finish. Yep, nothing else to seal it with. It dries on its own to a tack-free finish. You can use this product on a whole series of different items. You can use it on wood, on cardboard, on glass, on metal, and more. You know what? If it stands still, decoupage it. And that's what we're going to do now. Alright, so let's play. We've got to get some things together and then we're going to have some fun. First thing you always want to do, protect your surface. Today we're using a plastic bag. I've got the Fast Finish Decoupage. We're going to be making a wooden bracelet. I have a little bowl to pour the Fast Finish into. I've got a little basting brush. And I've got this really neat Decoupage paper by Exoclear. Alright, so actually I took a little break and dampened my brush because it prevents bubbles from forming. I've already poured the Fast Finish into the cup over here and we're all set to go. Now I've taken the Decoupage paper, kind of lined it up and figured out which pattern I'm going to use. I've got those cut in pieces so I can handle them easily, and we start. And we start by dipping the brush gently into the liquid and putting it on the wooden bracelet over here like that. Give it a liberal coat, not so much that it's dripping, but enough that you can work with it. Take the paper, center it, and lay it down. And it's as simple and easy as that. Then we're going to take the brush again, give it a little top coat, and we're actually done with this one piece. Now I'm going to leave it like this until I get it all the way around, and then I'm going to start wrapping it underneath. So we'll come back when I've got a little bit more done. Alright, we're going to put the last piece on here, and of course we save the best for last. Again, dip the brush, paint the wood, we'll put that over there and apply the piece. There it goes. Matched it up so that it fits nicely. Straighten it out a bit. And just coat the top again. Now, to get the sides down, very simple. I'm going to just dampen the inside of the paper and just push it down. Simple enough. Coat it again and just do that all the way around. So we'll do this one side real quick for you. And we're going to paint that down inside like that. And it's okay if the wood on the inside gets wet because you're going to be covering that with more of the decoupage paper. Now over here we're going to do the same thing. And we'll straighten this out and just press it down. And if you get the Fast Finish Decoupage on your hands, it is non-toxic. All you've got to do is take it off with soap and water, and you're good. When it dries, it's waterproof. So there you go. We're all done with that. In fact, sometimes it's easier just to use your finger. On this side, since we're doing so well, we'll continue with this. And I'm going to do it really quick and just do the whole thing at one shot, because I am Mike, the Gluologist. So here we go. Knock this one over like that. Tuck her in. Do the same thing over here. Tuck it in. Tuck it in. Tuck it in. Again, again. Okay, so now that we've done the outside of the bracelet, we're going to do the inside of the bracelet over here. I just want to make sure you guys can see that on the camera. Alright, so the way to do that is we've taken some pieces, extra pieces here, we've cut them in some nice lengths that are going to fit evenly inside there. I'm going to take my pre-dampened bristle brush, dunk it in the Fast Finish Decoupage, and just apply it to the inside of the bracelet. So I hope you can see that. Does that make sense? Okay, my friend's nodding over there. Now I can put the pieces on and again smooth them out, and you can even do that with your brush, put a little more on top to make it sure it's all in place. You may have a little overlap, we'll get to that in a minute. And then we're going to continue around the bracelet until we have the whole inside done. So here we go. Again, another piece over there. And you know what, if they overlap it's fine. Over here I missed it, so I'm going to pull it up and just drop it back down so that it does cover the whole thing. And this is just to give it a nice finished look. This is not anything that has to be done. Here we go. Look at that. Alright, so far we're doing okay. And remember, keep your surfaces protected. We don't want to get the Fast Finish on the surface there. And we'll finish this up with this piece. Put that in there like that. And again, line it up, smooth it down, and that last piece will hopefully fit in this last section. So here we go with this.
And it looks like it does. We're in great shape. So now, before I tack down the edges or fold the edges over that may have overlapped, I'm going to go along the inside with a fresh coat of the Fast Finish just to make sure I've got good adhesion going on. And you know, paper is porous, so this stuff will saturate it and help bond it because it'll reach the other side. And now that I've got the Fast Finish and the paper wet with the Fast Finish, anything that's overlapped over here, because they're small, I'm just going to tack down like this. And they are going to tack down nice and easy. Just like that. And if it doesn't, use your finger. So there you go. There's the whole bracelet done. Now, to give it a little extra sheen on the outside, we'll give it one last coat. And this stuff dries in about 20 minutes, so it's not a long process. And we're good. So there you go, folks.
This is Mike the Gluologist. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Hey, got glue? Got questions? Ask the Gluologist.